Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove and reinstall the charcoal filters in your Whirlpool microwave. This is a very easy process to do. It's only going to require a screwdriver. Typically, it's a Phillips screwdriver, and that's all you're going to really need in order to do this. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Now, the most common reason you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling your charcoal filters is over time these filters, when put into use, will absorb a certain amount of odor and smoke and steam, but over time they become saturated and they lose their effect, so you need to replace them. It's considered a normal wearing part. We recommend before you actually start to do the removal of it that you actually remove the power from your microwave. And you can do that either by unplugging it from its outlet or turning off the breaker that supplies power to the microwave. The grill is held in place by two Phillips screws, one on either end. So you'll take your Phillips screwdriver and locate those screws and just remove them one at a time. Once those screws are removed, it's just a matter of bringing your hands up onto either side of the grill and pull it straight outward, and it'll be free from the microwave and you can set it to one side. With the grill removed, you're now able to see the charcoal filters that are simply just laying inside the opening of the microwave. So you'll just reach in, lift them out of their position, and discard them. Bring in your new charcoal filters, slide them into place, set them down into the channels that hold them, and now you just need to bring your grill back, push it back into place, and reinstall the two Phillips screws that held it, and secure them snugly. So now you can just reconnect the power to your microwave, or turn on your breaker, whichever way you've done it, and then you're good to go. So there, it's just that easy to remove and replace the charcoal filters in your Whirlpool microwave.